Okay, so this is a clip that I will use, and that is the audio. Now you want to go at the end of the clip and freeze the frame just like this, and you want to remove the background and make sure the sizes match up. You want to then you want to create a compound clip and just leave that aside. Next, you want to drag in your images that are the background for the memory effect. These are the images that go super fast. Now you want to scale them up and move them to their correct places, just like this. Now you want to go to the first frame of the image and keyframe the size, and go to the last frame and keyframe it as well. Increase it a bit and repeat it for the entire duration. Now create a compound clip, go to motion blur and set the following settings. Now you can increase the speed a bit, and now you just have to create a compound clip and copy and paste it 4 or 5 times depending on the number of clips you have. Make sure to keep the freezed frame above the compound clips. Now you want to increase the size and make sure everything fits together, just like this. So just like this, our base is done. All you want to do, just make sure that the clips sync up with their scale. Now you can increase it, actually the compound clip, you can increase the size because it does not matter. The object will obviously cut off a bit. And then go to the remove background, turn on stroke and use the second option and turn it black. You can slow it down a bit, and here you go, that's the memory effect. Just make sure it syncs up with the beat. I can't really play the music because of copyright, but I have uploaded a short on this, you can watch that. And if you want the character pop out that you saw in the intro, you can check out my channel, I have the tutorial to that as well. See you later.